to be telling you all about the shaving myths. I'm gonna be busting all of them. So I've been shaving my arms and my legs for about 8 years now, and it has been the best decision of my life because it's painless, it's cheap, and it's like I can do it anytime, whenever I want, even if I'm in a hurry. So it's like the best thing to ever I've taken decision for. And wait till the end for the tips. So there are a lot of myths around shaving, and people have a lot of excuses or a lot of reasons to not convert to shaving, and still they are sticking to waxing, which is like really painful and can be expensive at times. And so I just wanted to let you know that shaving is like the easiest way to remove your hair, and I guess the hair grows back a little faster, but it's painless, it's cheap, and you can do it anywhere, and your skin still can look amazing. So the first and most common myth about shaving is that it gives you hard hair, it gives you like very thicker hair growth. So let me just bust that out. No, it doesn't. The hair is not hard. The hair does not come back thicker. The logic behind shaving is that you're removing the hair from the surface. Okay, you're not ripping it from the root like in waxing. So basically you're removing the hair from the upper surface, right? So when the hair grows back, it comes out blunt. It's not pointy, it's not soft, it comes out blunt. Okay, so उस वजह से हमें लगता है कि it's thicker or it's hard, but it's not. Once it grows back to its full length, it's just as soft as before. Yeah, starting में it comes out a little prickly because obviously it's growing back, but same happens with waxing. So I don't think that you should have a problem with that. So the second myth is that your skin becomes dry. So your skin becomes dry if you don't pamper it enough, if you don't take care of it after shaving. So after shaving, all you need to do is moisturize the area that you have shaved and keep moisturizing it for like a week. That's when the upper layer of the skin gets repaired. Obviously, because when you're using a blade on your skin, you're actually removing the like very patli se skin ka layer from the surface, right? So you need to take care of that. If you don't take care of that, obviously skin to dry ho hi jayegi. But it's not the myth. It's basically that you are giving your skin a treatment and you need to pamper it. अगर pamper नहीं करोगे तो skin तो वैसे भी dry हो ही सकती है. It's not just shaving. The next myth is that your skin becomes dark, you get tanned. No, you don't. Your skin doesn't get dark. अगर ऐसा होता तो लड़के भी शेव करते हैं, उनकी स्किन तो टैन नहीं होती, उनकी स्किन तो डार्क नहीं होती. But that's not my fighting point. It's just that I have been shaving for like 8 years and this is not dark. My legs are not dark. So I'm like living example. It does not. The next myth is that shaving gives you ingrown hair. Well, so does waxing. It's just that it depends from skin to skin, from person to person कि किसी की skin कितनी sensitive है, किसी की skin कितनी dry है. It all depends. You just need to try it on, and you need to give yourself time. You need to get comfortable with it and see how your skin reacts. So it depends from person to person कि उसकी skin को waxing या shaving suit करेगी कि नहीं. Because ingrowns waxing से भी होते हैं, ingrowns shaving से भी होते हैं. किसी की skin को बिल्कुल कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, किसी की skin waxing and shaving दोनों नहीं झेल पाती. So it's and a very bizarre myth is that you cannot use the razors that are meant to be used by male. Well, I for one use Gillette razor which are meant for men, and it gives me a very smooth skin. It gives me very close shave, and I've been using it for 2 years now. Before that, I used to use the Venus Gillette, which is meant for women. Till then, मुझे इतना idea नहीं था razors के बारे में. मैं सिर्फ एक razor use करती थी, which was meant for women. But 2 years ago, I started using the Gillette razor, which is meant for men, and it has been amazing. And then we have this myth that you can't shave without a shaving gel. Well, that's a complete BS, because you can shave with a soap, you can shave with just a conditioner, you can shave with a face wash. It's just that your skin needs to have a layer of lather so that you can easily shave it off. You can easily glide the razor. That's all you need. And here are some tips that would give you a amazing shaving experience. Never attempt dry shaving. And by dry shaving I mean that skin dry hai, na pani hai, na conditioner hai, na shaving gel hai. Do not glide your razor across. It will irritate your skin, it will give you itchy skin, and it can lead to a rash. So don't do that. After shaving, always moisturize with an oil and then a skin cream. And then if you still feel that your skin is irritating, is getting irritated and is dry, apply a layer of lotion and keep doing that for about a week, because that's when your skin gets repaired from all the shaving. Moisturize every night before you go to sleep with a good thick lotion. I suggest cocoa butter, and that works amazing when you've just shaved your legs, when you've just shaved your arm or your armpits, and it works amazingly. It makes your skin amazingly smooth and like super smooth and super moisturized. And if you still feel that कि काफी itching हो रही है, काफी ingrown आ रहे हैं, or you are just you've just started shaving and you don't want to take any chances, just use a mild skin cream that that can treat like very like normal से rashes वगैरह के लिए होते हैं. You can use that skin cream. So I personally use Clop GA. It was suggested to me by my dermatologist a while back. काफी टाइम हो गया उस बात को, but it still works on burns, on rashes, on mosquito bites, or pimple, or just small bumps or whiteheads and everything. So it works. So I hope I have busted like so many myths about shaving, and if you still feel that there are a lot more myths that I need to answer to, comment in the comments and let me know, or you can simply DM me and I'll answer to them. I hope this was helpful for you. Bye.